Backpack Type Pulse Laser Cleaning Machine Accessories Introduction. At first is Transformer. Input AC220 V50HZ to DC4V. Connect AC220 power and to machine. Then you could use the machine without battery. When working outdoors, you can directly use the battery to connect the machine. Battery charger. It can work for 1.5小时 hours on a full charge, and the charging time is also 1.5小时 hours. The system's control panel. Control panel charger. Range for changing protective lenses. Gas pipe adapter 10毫米 to 6毫米. The pipe diameter of the machine gas interface is 6毫米. Protective lens. It is used to protect the lens from smoke and dust. After cleaning, check whether there is dust or burning point on the protective lens. If the protective lens is seriously damaged, it needs to be replaced to prevent damage to other accessories. Fiber cloth for lens cleaning. Special lens cleaning paper. Glycerin protective eyeglass. Optical fiber dust-proof cap used for maintenance. First step to turn on the machine, connect power. Connect the protective gas into the air inlet. The requirement is clean, dry, compressed air without oil and water, which can be connected to the air pump, and the air pressure is 0.4到 0.6 米 PAC. No protective gas can also be used for short-term test work. But it is easy to cause damage to the protective lens, which will seriously affect the laser head. Turn to release the emergency stop button. Turn on the battery. The current battery is displayed. Turn on key switch. Click the arrow to going into system. Press the arrow to going into system. The cleaning parameters can be set according to the material being cleaned, or use all 6 pre-stored default parameters for different materials: oil, rust, paint, oxide, weld, mold. Place the wireless control panel close to the machine. Turn on the wireless control panel. All parameters can be modified from the control panel. Change device language. Click device. Input password year3. Then you could adjust the language for control panel. Put on the hand. You can easily adjust the parameters. Wear laser protective glasses. Take the laser head. Be careful not to aim at people or eyes. Remove lens protection cap. Turn on the motor start button behind the laser head. After setting the cleaning parameters, click and to enable laser, and the laser head at the surface of the workpiece. Red light will show you the cleaning range. Press the button on handle to start cleaning. By moving the laser head up and down, find the laser focal length position. Maintain the distance between the laser head and the workpiece. Start the cleaning work.